Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook account restricted from advertising. So first step you need to do is to open Facebook application and click on your profile picture here. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on report a problem. Scroll up. So turn off from here, click on OK and click on report a problem again, and you need to wait for a few seconds. Click on include. And once you are on that page, you simply need to scroll down and you need to find the issue stat of ads. So if you are unable to find, so you simply need to go and click on profile, and here you need to click on hi Facebook team, I am facing Facebook account restricted from advertising, kindly help me resolve this issue, regards, your name here. And then you simply need to click here to send it, and then the Facebook support team will contact you and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.